Hey guys, I'm Paris and welcome back. Today I'll be showing you 3 super fun ways to deck out your home with some watercolor art. I'll be showing you 3 different designs. What you'll need for this video is 4 pieces of watercolor paper, a pair of scissors, some paintbrushes, watercolor paints, a hot glue gun, and some glue sticks. Let's get crafting. The first piece of artwork is a floral design where I hot glued each individual petal so when I painted, the colors would not blend together. The first thing you want to do is plug in your hot glue gun. Then you want to collect any supplies you will need, such as water and a paper towel to paint. So what you will do is you will trace out each individual petal. When the glue is dry, you want to move your hand over the picture and remove any hot glue gun strings. After the glue has dried, you want to apply some water onto the petal you are coloring. When you add water, this allows the watercoloring paints to move around easier and to blend better. The next design is a really cool geometric design. You first want to get a sheet of watercolor paper and color the entire page with different colors, from bright oranges to light blues to dark purples. The second step is to cut the sheet of paper into 4 equal strips and then cut those into triangles. Now you want to lay each of those triangles out into a cool pattern and glue them all together. And that's all for design 2. Now here's the last watercolor design. What I had done is I had gotten tape and I had put down what I wanted to paint. So what I had done is I got paint and I painted over the tape. And once that was dry, peel off the tape and voila, it is done. I'm Paris, and thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more, and please comment down what you want me to do next. Thank you for watching.